Great packaging is more than just a container. It protects products through every step of their journey, connecting businesses and their customers. But behind every box lies the surprisingly complex world of design and manufacturing, and that's what we do. At American Box, we've invested time and money into creating a facility that is purpose-built for quality and consistency, using cutting-edge technology, literally. Our machines can produce complex shapes that fold to protect just about anything, from oversized boxes to intricate inserts. Our machinery handles everything from logos to full inside-outside print, creating packaging perfectly tailored to your brand. And if your packaging needs glue, stitching, or tape, our facilities can do that too. Whatever your packaging needs, American Box has you covered. Get in touch today to find out how you can get started.